What's up, guys? Today I am so very happy and excited for myself and proud of me, and because I am thanked myself because my mindset is stronger for many kind of things, and I will be better for myself, to impression, to force myself, to ruin myself and burn myself, to get many improvement and essential things for my perspective. I am better myself and to do get best version for myself, and then I thanks to my primarily I thanks to my God. And so I'll tell you, such as I recorded video, it's a content. Every content behind the scene has a purpose, and it's a combination, some of combinations they getting to more engage the audience. So if you content go viral, and that needs to be epic content marketing. Marketing is so great, that's pay for you it pay for it. So marketing, all over the world, marketing is the best in this situation, because without marketing you cannot achieve anything in your content agency and blogging, copyright, anything, whatever else, everything else. So epic content marketing is so great and is so essential for every content marketing. It's a process not to be, and it's a commitment to grow your audience. So it's some basis, some combination to create your upper level your epic content marketing: educating, educating, entertaining, and engaging. What you are fully aligned in your brand, you for yourself and your history, anything, whatever you want. So that's the main concept or epic content marketing. So you need to do best for in this session to level up in this, day by day update your process to generate for more level up, and then you can better implement for your content market agency or any whatever and anything else. So you must be needed for this concept. Example, many of are many of content creators, they are best, but you want to know deeply inside your if you content marketing, because there's some example, such you take a niche and then go viral. Some take a niche and go viral, that's enough. Not, it's a process and long time journey to engage your audience, and then the upper level, the next level, you generated the longer your perspective, your vision, and your engaging your audience. So that's the concept. And the next thing is, and I think if you content marketing, two factors, and that content marketing makes you think and makes you feel. So and create something new that cannot found search in Google. So you need to generate most unique idea and long time process to gain something, and it's an commitment. Then you the next level of your content marketing agency or whatever you want. So and the content marketing journey is the biggest and the main purpose you need to hear in this. That's is consistency, because consistency is a commitment with your audience, and without consistency you cannot successful in your content creation journey. So that's the main thing, main big thing for your content marketing and journey. And the next is, the more you talk about yourself, the audience less value of yourself, because don't care about yourself, the other guys. You whatever you can do, this type of works, this works, blah blah blah, but audience don't care about you and about your works, anything else. So try to understand the audience gap and makes feel to understand to great concept, and always speak audience audience terms. Every content creation known about this name, Jimmy Donaldson. He started YouTube channel in 2012, and then he day by day uploaded and consistency to improve his content, and then day by day he improved himself and his content creation journey, and now he is the most popular and the most subscribed in YouTube channel. Their name is Mr. Beast channel, and he spent 120 million US dollar in every single year. Can you imagine? There's the content creation power, and there is consistency. Without consistency he cannot generate the most creation, and the and consistency is the biggest human power, whatever you want. So there's the concept to do better, implement for any kind of job or work. So there's I heard that Ali Abdal says that three things of content creation is the main concept or main deeply concept in content creation journey. So first of all is get going, just get going. Whatever your content is good or bad, and it's a shaky and what's the fucking bullshit, anything else, so just get going and then get good. Please understand the concept, get going, get good. And the third thing is get smart. Then Jimmy Donaldson, his name is Salini is Mr. Beast. He completed the three things. First of all, he get going, just uploaded every consistency, upload video in his channel, and then get good. He understand what audience a clear audience and what audience to do something. He will connect his audience. So day by day he improve his content creation journey and quality food, and then get smart. So in this thing he revolutionary sense for content creation journey. He and in all of audience convert in his business purpose on business point, because his he started festivals chocolate bar and clothing brands, and many kind of sort of things to hail Mr. Beast business purpose. So you understand the three things to implement in your conditional journey, then you will be successful one day, inshallah. That's the main thing to be great for your pursue your career path. So that's enough for you. Set the uncomfortable goals. Set the uncomfortable goals. Set the uncomfortable goals that will seize your business the next level. So content creation journey. Here's the first question you should ask. What topic can you be the first leading informational expert in the world? So if you leading in the first in the content creation journey, so and what audience to do the next level, so you should ask yourself what type of niche and what type of audience, and you need to certainly now this is the main goal to set, and then you upper level for your content creator. Now I will convert it in editing process. So first of all, the main subject of videos is get going, and there is anything your content creation is good or bad, not fact, but get going and keep properly your video quality is day by day updated and informative, educating and entertaining, to combine a epic content marketing, and then your video quality is too good and impact your content creation journey. So quality is good. So I will prefer the upper level content creation to move. So on this platform you need to thumbnail is good, too good. Thumbnail is very impact, because first click impression is thumbnail, because when I see wow, it's an amazing thumbnail, I click this and then running this video. So that's the good and thumbnail, and then video quality and video storytelling. Storytelling is a great concept for every man or woman's content creation. Massive impact and revolutionary change your content aspects, and it's amazing. So storytelling, so many combinations, sort of things you to forward your content journey. I will discuss in before I discuss. So thumbnail quality good. First, your content creation journey behind the scene, your popularity, you need not to be quality, just quantity, and then qualityful video. So thumbnail quality, and then storyized. So it's an storytelling is the best hype on the session 2024. It's a revolutionary sense your continuation journey. I cannot explain my I'm speechless because storytelling is the best hope of your massive growth your content creation journey. So hopefully everything I will discuss and combination you will better yourself for all kind of things, and is just taking gathering your knowledge and acceptance, all those things whatever I'm talking about in this discussion. So best of luck. So tomorrow I will discuss the another thing. So